Hello students, today we are solving statistic question. Okay, so it is given that a variance of a population is 4 but mean is unknown. Variance known, mean unknown. Variance known, mean unknown. So we solve here t statistic. The variance is known but mean is unknown, so we find out t statistic. Okay, so variance is given of a population 4, mean is unknown, sample size 25 is drawn randomly from this population. To test the null hypothesis is also given. So sample elements are given, there are 25, n size 25. So these are values given. Based on the above information, we need to calculate the t statistic. So first we need sample mean. Sample mean is x bar. So summation I from 1 to 25, xi is given 150. So we summation xi by n. N is 25. Okay. So x bar summation xy by n. So we get x bar as 20 as 6. So this is your sample mean. Now sample variance, small ss square sample variance. So we know, so this is formula summation xi square minus summation xi square by n whole divided by n minus 1. So summation xi square is 1116 minus summation xi square 150 square by n, 150 square by 25 whole divided by 25 minus 1. So this is 24, n minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24. So solving this, minus 150 square. So this is by 25 whole divided by 24. Okay, so solving we get 9. Okay, so solve this, we get 9. So this is variance, sample variance. So our standard deviation S would be 3. Okay, so now t statistic. T equals to sample mean x bar minus mu naught. Our initial null hypothesis mu naught by sample standard deviation root over n. So x bar we have 6. X bar 6 minus mu naught is 4.8. So this is sample standard deviation 3 by root over n 25. So solving this, 6 minus 4.8, we have 1.2. So 3 into 5. So 1.2 divided by 15. So we have 2. So t statistic is 2. So this is your answer. Okay, clear? Chalo, have a good day.